Hello everyone, my name is Jessica McDaniel. I'm a junior in biological systems engineering. So a lot of people ask, what is biological systems, or BSc for short? So BSc is really a mixture of physics, science, engineering, and biology, and mixing all those together and using those design principles in order to help solve the problems that we have today. So a lot of the different disciplines that we have in BSc include land and water resource engineering, hydrology, resource management, public health, bioprocessing, and biomolecular, biomedical, and food processing, just to name a few. So at Virginia Tech, how it's set up is you don't just graduate with a biological systems degree, you graduate with a biological systems degree with a concentration in biomedical, for example. This is how all the majors at Virginia Tech work in engineering, so you get to really hone in and focus on what you're more excited and interested in. So a lot of the different job types that you can get with this major are working in pharmaceuticals, working with the government, nonprofit agencies, working for the EPA, and things like that. A lot of the issues that we're starting to solve now have to do with water resources and agriculture, and also in the biomedical field. So if you're interested in any of those things, it's a very good major for you to get involved in. And doing this major, we had this major before we had the biomedical major, so a lot of students did this before they went to the biomedical side, so it's very easy to get a biomedical minor with this major. And as well, a lot of people, like myself, when they were freshmen, they didn't know whether they wanted to go to the civil environmental or if they just wanted to do biological systems. So my advice is, if you're more interested in the environmental side of things and want to just focus solely on the environment and those impacts and air pollution and water pollution and things like that, I would go straight into biological systems. And if you are interested in more of the environmental and the civil human interaction side and all those other things like the construction and all that, I would go into the civil side. Also, if you still want to have more information about what types of classes we could take with this major, you can go online into bsc.vt.edu, and that has all the information and the 4-year plan for each graduating class and what classes they have to take. They don't really change much per year, but you can go in there and see the classes and even find the descriptions for the different classes to see if that's something that you'd actually be interested in. You can also find the email to our advisor, Ms. Priscilla Baker, and she will be happy to answer all of your questions that you have. Thank you.